Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. Welcome to Disney Springs, the premier destination for relaxation and discovery in the heart of Orlando. The best part? This sprawling waterfront escape is completely free to enter, offering a world of experience without a ticket. Imagine a place where the Florida breeze carries a scent of gourmet treats and live music, from the turn-of-the-century charm of a landing to the Mediterranean-inspired beauty of the town center. Each themed neighborhood tells a unique story. You aren't just here to shop, you're here to feel the energy of the world built on imagination. It's where world-class dining meets the whimsical spirit of the Florida Springs. But the best way to experience it is to simply be present. For now, I want you to settle in, find your rhythm, and enjoy the walk through this lakeside oasis. This is where the magic truly begins.
Everybody's going to the park too. In the park already made their money. Nosso sistema aí. Something like that. George was there and
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.